Hi guys! So we are here now in Cartimar. Lila, say hi! So pumunta kami dito kasi sabi nila we can buy daw mga plants and stuff para sa mga experiment ng mga bata that will be needing in homeschool. So samahan nyo kami as we explore Cartimar for today. Okay, first stop, we're going to eat muna and hi! Nandito na ang aking mga friendships. This is Nika, Zari, and Haya.
Hello.
So matagal na kami magkakaibigan. Of course, Nika is the daughter of Zari. Asan na si Zari? Ayun, Zari's been my makeup artist and very good friend for how many years na. Ito si Age. So he's the one who fixes my hair. Pero today, hindi kami mag-work. Ano lang talaga. Bonding time lang. Food trip. Ano yan? Bonding nga, oh. Phone. Ito talaga, oh. Laging busy sa phone. Okay, so for our first stop, we're going to try itong famous taho place daw dito. So nakita ko siya sa mga vlogs. Ito super hilig sa taho. So we'll see. Okay. Isa po yung regular na taho. Oh, let's look.
So, if you want mag-add.
Yeah, okay.
Tapos magkano per additional?
Okay, miss, dalawang order na po.
35 plain. Tapos yung mga add-ons.
What do you like? The brown sago or the white sago? Brown or white sago? Miss, ano yung bestseller nyo?
Brown sago. Then the brown.
Brown sago.
So there's brown sago. Wow, parang yung sa milk tea.
Plus 25.
Parang nainggit ako, parang gusto ko din. Oh my gosh. Look at that. No, it's a big bowl.
Yeah.
And the sauce is like medyo runny. So dapat we were just gonna buy taho. Pero dami pa pala nilang products dito. So they have a lot of tofu products that you can buy if magluluto kayo at home. Tapos they also have here, ito tayo, makita natin. Marami silang frozen products. So meron silang yung mga siomai, mga gyoza, nandiyan na lahat. Mantu, crab sticks. Yan. Saka yun, oh, wow, yung mga pang hot pot. Sarap. Pero sige, oo, pang house. Saka you can get my bulb. But now, I got winter melon at saka dalawang taho for the kids. Japanese Japanese food. So if you want to buy stuff then bawal na mag-picture sa loob. Pwede ito, wala naman nakalagay. Ayan o, picture cases. Tapos meron daw silang ano dyan, famous takoyaki balls na masarap. Dito tayo. Then here, meron na namang wholesale the Japanese products dito. Sa Asuka. So, itong strip na to, if you will see, marami kayong mabibili ingredients dito. So, if you like to cook, or hindi kayo mag-prepare ng mga Japanese, or meron din ako nakitang Korean groceries. So, ito yung pupuntahan yung part.
Palay.
For what daw?
Pang garnish. Malay. 645. So, appetizer. For appetizer.
Yummy.
So good. This taho is kind of like a bigger kind of version. You see the curls.
Kapikit-pikit. Just check out this
What's that?
place. Ito. Tapos na kami mag-lunch. Nabusog ba kayo?
Oh yes.
Ito sis,
Sarap.
Blue
Naku,
Wonder,
thank you.
coffee. Welcome. Uy, healthy na naman.
Ramen bringing the business and ingredients for ramen.
Ay, ramen pala. Ano kaya yung ano?
Uy, sis, hindi mo na.
Ito na. Okay, so guys, if close kayo sa akin or if friend ko kayo, and ngayon malalaman nyo na rin na I am a coffee lover. So ito, in-influence ko yung friend ko, si Zari. Excited na yung mami mo. So ito, yan, look, they have all mga coffee stuff, pots, roasted coffee. It's our first time here, so titingnan namin. Hopefully, may mga bagong ma-discover. Bango. So here, ito po yung cafe nila. Dun sa back store, they have all the supplies that you need. So kunwari magtatayo ka ng sarili mong coffee shop, cafe, business. So nandyan lahat. So mamaya puntahan natin. But for now, I will order coffee muna.
Cheers. Patikim.
Sarap talaga ng coffee.
Tapang.
Sarap kaya.
Masarap pero matapang.
Ano yung bilhin?
Hindi.
Ano yan?
Sobrang
Cafe
sarap.
latte.
Sobrang sarap ng coffee, sobrang tapang. But sa akin kasi, hindi pwede sa coffee or coke
Hindi pwede
dahil
sa'yo
acidic
to.
ako. But sobrang sarap. Sobrang sarap. Pasado sa akin.
I just taste. Mama.
Mama ng mama. Okay, now we're going to visit the equipment shop of Blue Wonder. Natuwa kami kasi ang mura lang. Like, ito, usually mabibili mo to ng parang 3,000 or something. Parang mga ganyan. Basta definitely more than 1,000. Pero look, totoo ba to? 375 pesos.
Ito 200.
200 yung French press. Magkano yung bili mo sa'yo?
450.
450. So now, nandito na kami sa animals. Grabe yung daga. Saan? So Mick wants to get a frog para pang experiment.
So, nang ibon.
Ibon naman.
Yeah. I wanna
Yung,
buy it
ano,
for-
yung pupo niya.
Oh my golly. Eto na.
Ganda daw.
Ano yan? For?
Bird.
Pag ikaw tinuka. Oh my gosh! Ayan na, naiiyak na yung kids kasi they want to buy a pet. Pero sabi namin, hindi pa pwede because they already have dogs. Diba? So ayan, ngayon they're looking at snakes. Face your fear. Ganun na! Face your fear.
Baka ganun yung nakuha.
Yan talaga. Face your fear.
So, ito na bilhin mo para sa bahay.
Hindi ano yan, di ba? Hindi for sale. That's your pet.
Ilan set mo?
Si
Si Susan siya.
Susan. Hoy!
Mick.
Mix
Babe,
na!
ganyan mo.
Ilan taon na siya?
Saan ko ipepet? 2 years old. Ma'am, kahit saan.
Mick,
Baka
yung buntot
niya
yung
ako.
Hawakan mo si Nick.
Okay, ano mo?
Excuse me.
Di ba ganyan?
Hi, Susan! Hi, Susan! Hello!
Ganun mo lang.
At,
Kares.
Ang attention mo sa
Ganyan
kanya.
yung laki
What is this? Oh my God.
Pero Mexican ginagawa na
So, mahilig ka talaga sa reptile?
before pa pumasok dito.
Talaga? Ano yung pinaka-favorite mo na ano? Na reptile?
Ano ba? Dami mo
Ito, king and ba yun?
May blue tongue skink. Pero
skink
sa akin,
pala.
kasi
Mali
expert
pa.
ako sa sugar glider man.
Sugar glider. Oh, sugar glider.
Pero mga marsupials kasi sila, pero sa reptiles, and
So, mahilig ka talaga sa pets in general.
So,
Ay, ganyan lang yan. Yan yun, sugar glider.
Can I
Ayun, malamang yun yun.
Ate, baka gumabang siya sa akin. Face your fear. Ang lamig.
yes, ma'am. It's cold water. Yes.
Stop. Let's
try?
Okay. Face your fear. Huwag kang ganyan. Thank you, Abby.
Welcome, ma'am.
Come, chameleon. You come and go. Yun yun, di ba?
It's gonna eat you up.
Ay, mali naman ako.
Doon pa ng pangalan.
Hindi mo na kailangan ng boyfriend.
Sige na.
Kusini ka. Oh, ayan.
There you go.
Ayan na. Stop, Mick. Face your fear. Okay, 10
Okay,
seconds.
bye.
Okay na. Ang bigat.
Salamat po.
Pag mga mommies gusto halaman. Diba? Herbs yan, pang garden, pang sa cooking. Friend, sa Tarragon tea masarap.
How do I on the light?
So, I was able to buy mga Korean stuff, yung mga Korean, from the Korean grocery. Mga candies, milk, and then happy kami nakabili kami ng bike. So, in fairness, na-enjoy nyo ba? Did you enjoy?
Yes.
Ha?
Okay, fine. I enjoy.
Si Mick no daw. Ikaw?
I enjoyed looking at the dog.
You enjoyed looking at the dogs. Actually, nakakatuwa because it was like sort of a mini field trip na rin for the kids. Since dami lang nakita, may animals, may plants, nakabili pa si Kayla ng bike. So, masasuggest lang namin, if ever you wanna visit Cartimar, if you haven't been to this place, siguro wear something comfortable. Tapos, kasi medyo mainit. Especially during mga pagtanghali. And then, maraming food. Yun, we really enjoyed our Cartimar adventure. Ikaw, Mark, enjoy ka ba? Cartimar?
Nag-enjoy naman.
Ha?
Nag-enjoy ako, pero hindi mo ako binila ng bird.
Nang?
Bird.
Gusto mo ng birds?
Yeah.
Oh. Ayan, so our Cartimar adventure is finally over. For the pet lovers, yung mga mahilig mag-bike, those who want to buy plants, you can visit this place kung di pa kayo nakakapunta.
And also their fish ball, so good, loaded good.
Loaded good. So, yun. And then, advice lang namin if you're going to visit this place, dapat wear something neat, wear something comfortable dahil medyo mainit.
Yeah.
And
And
then,
also-
yung mga mahilig magluto, katulad natin, you can buy also in bulk Yeah, coffee, and then yung mga Japanese ingredients, Japanese food, Korean food, mga kakailanganin when you would like to cook yung mga samgyeopsal and all the other stuff. And then exotic plants, exotic animals. So maganda, it was such a good experience also for the kids, hindi lang sa amin ni Mark, pero pati yung kids natuwa. Dahil yung mga ibang animals na nakikita nila sa books, they were able to see it. Yun, basically that's it. We hope you enjoyed our Cartimar adventure. Ikaw, ano
Thank
pong
you guys,
masasabi mo?
thank you. Sad ako kasi hindi ko nabili yung bird ko eh.
Bye!